Hey guys, these are my battery, 412 volt 200 amp gel, maintenance free. Welcome to my channel. I'm Alexander, and today we will be building a housing, a battery box, or any choice of word that you may call it. Right, so all these woods are from scrap. We intend to build a battery box. So as you notice, all these wood strips that are already laid out are from scrap board that I put together. And from here, what we wanted to do now is to go through the process of cutting these boards to specific size and make them insect free and weatherproof. Before we go on, I want you to like the video and also subscribe to my channel, and remember to click on the bell icon for notification for upcoming videos. If you are regular on my channel, you will notice that I've used this multi-treatment face waterproof protector in most of my woodwork because it's a good base and it protects your material from weather for up to 9 years. As according to the manufacturer, it can protect wood flooring, concrete, and also brick walls. Today, once again, we will be using it on all these boards, protected for the long period. Once I was satisfied that all the boards have been properly coated, notice also how that coated have stuck out on the hood, make them shiner and give them a more lifeless looking, brightly colored. Now here I've started putting the frame together, but if you notice at the top of the frame where 2 screws have sticked out, it have a little slope, and that is because the reason the door is going to go at the top, and I wanted the door to have a slightly handle, so when the rain fall it will be fall off like a roof. So that's the reason for the handle at the top. Now for the measurement, I did not want to make any mistake on the measurement because I didn't have any more scrap hood lining around. So I want to be specific. For the width, I want it to be 25 and 25 exactly. No more over, no more less. And so I went in details to measure that 25 over and over just to get it the right and correct handle. Once I was managed to get all my measurements correct, I was left with a measurement of 25 by 42 inches. So it was safe to say let's put some closing by putting on the siding both sides. I leave the back of the box open for better ventilation. Being as it was going to be close to the wall, there was no need for me to put a back panel. Inside the box, I have pasted some C-channel by cutting them into 4 pieces. That's where the battery will be placed on. To make the door or the top of the box, I have used some of the same material that I made from scrap, but only this time with a lighter and thinner board for the top. Once I was finished laying them on the material, I then put a layer of roof shingling for long-term and long-term longevity, and for waterproof, and for being out into the sun. Protect the board from insect, I put the feet into engine oil and in some plastic container. Then it was time for me to place my 412V 200 amp battery inside the battery box. One by one, with the weight on these batteries, you know it take me a very long time. But nevertheless, one by one, with a little motivation from myself, all 4 batteries was placed into the box, and it was now ready for wiring. For the wiring of the battery, I have run an 8 feet 2-hot cable to the outside to the battery box. Sometimes in life give you melon, you make grapefruit, but in this situation, life give me lemon, and I'm trying to make lemon juice. Apparently the battery is too far away from the end of my negative pole, so I'm just going to extend that wire a little bit longer. And it's only fair once I'm extending the wire is to put some more color coded on my wire. Now for the wiring of the battery. These are 4 12-volt batteries, and I'm looking for 24 volts. So my intention is to series 2 bank of batteries. So therefore, I'm going to have 2 strings of wire. One bank will be 24 and one bank will be 24. And from there, I will then now parallel both banks together, which increase the amperage use of the battery. Remember, Ohm's law said when the battery is in series, you only increase the voltage. In parallel, you increase the amps and the voltage remains. So once I have series in my battery, you can see I'm having 25 volts on one side. Now to make the parallel connection, I'm taking my negative end from one side or from one string to the other string of the negative side. So it's negative to negative. And for the red side is positive to positive. And that is your parallel connection. Now that the parallel connection is completed, it's time to check if I'm getting full 24 volts or more or less anything the battery have in store, which is in this case 25 volt. Guys, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. Now remember to subscribe to my channel for upcoming video.